Good afternoon. We are going for the topic of Jfet. We are going to determine VGS, drain current, voltage across drain source, VD and VG for the given circuit. They are given the parameters mentioned in the circuit diagram. The self-bias circuit, we are going to find out VGSQ, which is the equation minus IT into RS. So I am substituting that RS value as 10 power 3 substituted, and to find ID as ID SS within bracket 1 minus VGS by VP pinch of voltage the whole square. Substituted the given data. ID SS as 8 milliamps, so 8 into 10 power minus 3 within bracket 1 plus VGS value as 10 power 3 ID divided by VP pinch of voltage 6 volt, so minus sign is there, the whole square. So you will be getting one equation after simplification. That equation as 36 IT equal to 8 into 10 power minus 3 within bracket 6 minus 1000 ID the whole square. Then again we have to simplify this a minus b whole square equation, a square minus 2ab plus b square. If you simplify and using minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a formula, we found that ID value as 13.9 milliamps or 2.5 milliamps. Two values we are having, but ID cannot be higher than IDSS, so we are fixing the minimum value of ID in the two values calculated. So ID fixed as 2.5 milliamps. If you know ID, we can solve for VDS. The formula is VDS is equal to VDD minus ID into sum of the resistors RD and RS. So I have substituted the values. VDD as 20 minus ID as 2.5 into 10 power minus 3. Just now we have calculated. And RD value as 3.3 K kilo ohms and RSS 1 kilo ohms. After simplification, the answer for VDS is 9.25 volt. Then we can find VGS. VGS as we have written the equation as 10 power 3 into ID. So ID value I am substituting 2.5 milliamps I have substituted. So VGS value as after simplification 2.5 volt. Similar to that, we can go for VS. VS equation as ID into RS. Now ID calculated value as 2.5 milliamps, RS given value as 1 kilo ohms. So I have substituted 2.5 into 10 power minus 3 into 1 into 10 power 3. The answer for VS is 2.5 volt. Then VD, which is equal to VS plus VDS. So VS calculated as 2.5 volt, VDS calculated as 9.25 volt. So the final VD value as 11.75 volt. So for Jfet we have calculated VDS, VGS, VS, VD for the given circuit. So in that after simplification of ID equation we are having two values of ID. In that we have to pick up the minimum value because this cannot be higher than the saturation value. So we should take care of selecting ID value. Based on the selection of ID value only, minimum value of ID only, we can further calculate the values of VDS, VGS, VS and VD. Thank you.